Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Miliki. On today's video, it's just gonna be a short video on how I style my natural fussy type hair, and I'm only using certain lotion to coil it out.
Chest that won't go away. It's time for something new. Set foot for chapter 2 anew.
So guys, and that brings us to the very end of this video. Let me know down in the comment section which of these was your favorite style, and please subscribe to the channel. Love you guys, stay safe, see you in my next video. Bye. Mwah.